Guys, we're here in one of the most iconic hangout spots in Cebu, Tops. So this is part 3 ng trip namin to Cebu, guys. And nandito kami ngayon sa Tops. Sobrang sikat nga nito na hangout place and ang sabi nga namin pupuntahan talaga to namin ngayon. So long time ago, tawag nila dito is Top kasi nga nandito to sa pinakamataas na bahagi talaga ng Cebu. Which is kita mo yung mga building sa ilalim, yung city makikita mo talaga. And sobrang ganda ng scenery dito. So again, before Top yung tawag nila dito, but later on tinawag nila itong Tops and until now, yun ang talaga yung tawag sa kanya. So 1990s nandito na to pero syempre hindi pa ganito yung structure, native and simple pa yun dati hanggang paunti-unting na-develop and by 2022 nag-close nga ito for redevelopment and nag-reopen siya ulit by 2024 and guys, syempre yung structure talagang upgraded pang world class. Sabi nga nila over 1 billion was invested in this project and just wow, the place is really amazing, para kang nasa langit. Good thing na gabi ngayon kasi makikita mo talaga yung city lights and mukha talaga siyang galaxy. So sayang at hindi na kami dito umabot na may araw pa. Maganda rin sana yung scenario dito at daylight pero okay lang, next time. So kung papasok ka nga dito, meron silang entrance fee for adult and kids 100 pesos, for senior 70 pesos, tapos sa parking naman kung sasakyan yung dala mo 50 pesos, parang 30 pesos yata kapag motorcycle. So medyo sayang nga kasi quick visit lang kami dito. Di talaga namin ma-enjoy yung entrance fee pero okay lang, at least we got to see kung ano yung mga nandito sa Tops. So, just a summary, if you're here, you get a full 360 view of Cebu City, the mountains, and the sea all in one place. Kaya this is one of the best spots to see how beautiful Cebu looks like from above. At night, you get to see the sparkle of the city lights. It looks like a galaxy, guys. And during the day, you get to see clear natural colors, the blue skies, green mountains, city colors and structures, and it's so dreamy and refreshing. Worth it naman talaga yung 100 pesos mo talaga dito. So yung ginawa namin dito is libot-libot lang ng konti and picture-picture lang sa paligid. And then you can sing here, guys, kung wala kang hiya. And kung feel mo naman maganda boses mo, you can freely use their music instruments and you can sing. So meron ditong pumipila na iba just to also showcase their singing talents. Pero sa visit namin mukhang wala masyado nag-dare, kaya yung kuya ko na lang yung kumanta. So if you have the talent and you're confident, why not, diba? So after ng singing session ng kuya ko, eto na at nag-decide na kami umuwi. Nagpicture lang kami sa labas. Medyo matagal-tagal din kasi maraming nagpipicture talaga, lalo na sa my name na Tops. For the pila ka talaga, be. And when it's our time, syempre sulitin natin. So ayun, natapos na kami sa aming pictorial. Sobrang pagod kami ngayong araw kasi from Simala to Tops, o diba, pagod na yung mga person. So while we're waiting for our car, guys, merong napakalaking butterfly yung lumapit sa amin. I don't know kung saan to galing. It's so big. Look. So knowing that this is a mountain, for sure maraming butterflies dito, but this one is really big. So the last time na nakakita ako ng ganito kalaking butterfly, elementary ako noon sa school namin. And this is the second time pa lang na ganito talaga kalaki. Syempre kung normal size na butterflies, marami yan kung saan-saan lang, but this big, second time ko pa lang to nakita na ganito talaga siya kalaki. Amazing, diba? And look, guys, talagang nandito siya sa akin. O, diba? Yayaman na ba ako nito? Sumukha talaga akong bata dyan na gustong pansinin ng kuya ko kasi nga sobrang laki ng butterfly sa kamay ko. Diba? Bumalik ako sa pagkabata at sobrang natuwa kasi talaga ako. Sign yata ito na yayaman talaga ako. Ay, sana all. Anyway, too much of the talk. Umuwi na kami, guys, kasi ramdam ko na rin talaga yung pagod. Yung nanay ko chill lang yan pero yung tatay ko mukhang pagod na rin talaga yan. Ayan, oh, kaya patay. So yan, guys, sumakay na kami ng kotse and umuwi. So gabing-gabi na nga and antok na yung mga tao. So bukas, another day, meron na naman kaming pupuntahan. So see you there.
Ano iwakal-wakal eh?
Damo, di bitoon. Di ba na?
Isa.
You want to see the stars?
It's right there.
Ah! Yes. Balok sa
What? Grande oh. Post-post ka daw.
Ini udah masaka?
Saka pa
Turis
rin.
teman masaka.
Tara, let's go.
Hi. For the Paos Java ng person. Diin ka, girl.
Ako doon niya, subo.
Doon niya ka sa doon. Okay. May personal alalay.
Ganda pa to.
Selfie. May building.
Ba't nag-ito?
All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. Though you're everything that I've been looking for, and I look into your eyes and could not ask for more. So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. If I ever fall in love again.
Sige sa tops. Let's do sa tops. Alright, tops. Yeah. Picture pa taga. Bye. Picture. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Salat.
Picture ko. Picture ko. Pindot ko white. Guys, found this big butterfly. See?
Balik mo dahil.
Hindi na siya.
Fly, fly, butterfly, I'm on
Parking na photo.
Ano? Ano siya sa kahoy?